The Kitchen Revolution 2025. 4 hacks that are changing how we cook at home. In 2025, the kitchen is no longer just a place to prepare meals. It's a dynamic hub for sustainable living, smart cooking, and stress-free food management. With AI-driven appliances and eco-conscious living taking center stage, here are 4 trending kitchen life hacks that are reshaping how we interact with food, right from our countertops. Smart inventory systems are now revolutionizing home kitchens. No more guessing what's in your fridge, or wasting money on groceries you already have. Connected sensors and barcode scanning apps keep track of expiry dates, quantities, and even suggest recipes based on what's available. This has become a game changer for busy households. The habit of taking a quick phone scan of new groceries and relying on daily app-based notifications. Some of these smart systems even connect directly with grocery delivery apps, so your pantry gets restocked automatically based on your preferences and consumption patterns. Meal prep has gone from a weekend chore to a daily efficiency ritual, thanks to modular storage and time-block cooking. In 2025, high-function containers with temperature-regulating features are commonplace, letting you prep and portion out ingredients days in advance without compromising flavor or nutrition. Families now often organize weekly meal kits, not just by meals, but by activity zones. Protein station, carb station, and fresh add-ons. Pairing this with AI-suggested schedules helps optimize cooking times, ensuring that breakfast, lunch, and dinner are handled with minimal daily effort. Time blocking by dish type has also gained traction. 1 hour on Sunday for proteins, 30 minutes for sides on Monday, and so on. It's not just about saving time. It's about making space for creativity. Eco-conscious kitchens are embracing zero-waste routines like never before. A top 2025 trend is scrap cycling, turning vegetable peels, bones, and leftovers into broths, sauces, and even DIY cleaning products. Home composters now come built into many modern countertops, turning food scraps into garden-ready compost in just 24 hours. Upcycled ingredient guides have become viral on social media, with creators sharing recipes made from what used to be trash. This has reshaped attitudes toward waste and sparked a new culinary creativity. Banana peel bacon, carrot top pesto, and even citrus cleaner sprays made from discarded orange rinds. What was once garbage is now gourmet, and the internet is buzzing with new discoveries every week. Finally, digital detoxing has made its way into the kitchen as more people seek mindful cooking experiences with constant notifications and screens in every room. 2025 has seen a surge in analog cooking zones, kitchen corners designed for calm, screen-free meal prep. This trend promotes cooking as a meditative practice. Quiet knife work, focus on fresh smells, and tactile feedback from kneading dough or mixing by hand. Many kitchen designers now include textured walls, natural materials, and ambient lighting to encourage presence and reduce digital fatigue. Recipe cards have made a nostalgic comeback too, offering a tactile alternative to phone-based instructions. These moments of stillness in the kitchen are becoming daily rituals that offer not just nourishment, but mental clarity in an overstimulated world.